Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Geforce Experience cannot optimize the games. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. If Geforce Experience is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. After that, just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find NVIDIA Corporation folder. Just double click on it. Just right click on the Geforce Experience folder, NVIDIA Geforce Experience. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here. And now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to reinstall the Geforce Experience guys. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select and install a program and find a Geforce Experience. Just right click on it and select and uninstall. After uninstalling the Geforce Experience, you just need to close stuff here. You just need to check my video description for this download link. To download the Geforce Experience, select the download option and download it. After getting download and install the Geforce Experience, after getting installed, and you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.